As you all know, 2023 is coming to an end. So for today, I'll be covering the property outlook for 2024. Let's take a look. So 2024 is going to be exciting year for property because of these two reasons. First is because US is dropping its interest rate, and when US is dropping its interest rate, Singapore's interest rate, which is mainly determined by US, will also drop the interest rate. Previously, when interest rate went up, everyone starts to save up money because everything is too expensive. So now when interest rate starts to go down, people have saved up a lot of cash and is ready to spend. So to put it into context, it means that we now have the spending power. And when that happens, this means that there will be an increase in demand. And when there's increase in demand, it will automatically translate to increased prices of property. And the second exciting point is that there will always release more supply into the market, be it HDB or private property. I'll be using the next few slides and articles to show you more about the housing supply in 2024. Let's take a look. What you're seeing here is the HDB price index. The line in red shows the HDB price throughout the years, while the box in blue shows the number of BTO that was released from 2011 to 2018, which is reflected in the area in blue here. So you can see that after they released a huge chunk of BTO from 2011 to 2018, the HDB prices went down for almost 7 years before it started to pick up again when COVID hits. As the prices of HDB is now at the all-time high, government is now throwing in a lot of supply, as you all can see in the green box, from 2022 to 2023 to calm the prices of HDB market. So what we are seeing now is a repeat of what we have seen in 2011 to 2013, where there's a lot of supply and subsequently the prices of HDB market will start to go down due to the huge supply that is out in the market. So now let me ask you, where do you think the HDB market is gonna go? Go up or go down? I will leave this to you to decide. For the private property market, the graph here shows that from 2021 to 2023, government has been releasing a lot of supplies throughout the year, each year more than the other, hoping to calm down the private property market. These are some of the news articles in case you missed them. In this article, it states that this will be the largest supply of private property since 2013. And this shows that the government is trying to push down the prices of private property by releasing a lot of supply. This is because supply and demand are the main drivers of property market prices. So for example, if you can see this graph here, whenever the supply is low here and here, the prices of property will go up. It's true that there's abundance of supply right now, but then again, if you ever watch this video, go take a look. In this video, I've explained whether is this an oversupply or undersupply situation. Coupled with the fact that interest rates dropping, people now have the spending power since they saved a lot over the past 2 years. This will translate to more demand, and more demand will translate to lesser supply, and lesser supply will translate to higher prices. Once this supply has been absorbed by the market, the prices will start to climb. For those that has planned to come into the private property market sector, this is the time because firstly, there's abundance of supply, and developers will price the units more sensitively, and secondly, after the supply has been absorbed away, the prices will start to climb. The reason why government released so much supply out into the market is because they know that the price is going to increase once the interest rate starts to drop. And more importantly, as we all know, GE is coming, and affordable housing is one of our main concerns. Last but not least, for rental updates, now that border have opened and we have more supplies on the market, rental rates are starting to drop, so landlords now can review whether they want to do a property swap to renew their lease as well as their accrued interest. In conclusion, to achieve what the government is set up to do, which is to provide affordable housing, government will release more HDB to make sure that the prices of HDB remains affordable, while private property prices will continue to appreciate as Singapore wants to attract foreign investors into Singapore, and at the same time to allow Singapore citizens to tap into the private property market and to appreciate together with the market. This in turn will create a widening gap between the HDB prices and the private market prices, causing more challenge for HDB upgraders when they want to upgrade to a condo in the future. So for intended HDB upgraders, if you are planning to switch to a condo, now is a very good time because as time passes, the challenge will increase over time. So with that, I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys have a good takeaway on the property outlook for 2024. If you have any questions or doubts, you can always contact me in my info at 9130-7964 or at my social media. If not, have a good year ahead, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.